Hi guys, so this is Mira Zems. Welcome to my channel. So I filmed this look, and this is the look I had when I had the braids wig on. So if you want to see how I got the look, then keep on watching, guys.
For my brows, I'll be using Prolonged Wear Fruit Line by MAC in the shade Deep Down. To define my brows, I'm going in with LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn, following the shape of my brows to give it more defined look. I'm priming my eyes with MAC Prolonged Wear Paint Pot Primer in the shade Grand Work. Using a Couture's blending brush to blend everything in. For my eyes, I'm using Urban Decay Naked Palette 3 in the shade Nuna, blending all in with a Couture's brush. Using NYX Primer Potion in the shade Milk to clean up my lid. For my lid, I'm going in with my Morphe palette in the shade 35B. So you want to just blend, and I'm going in with the darker shade from the same palette on the outer V section. I'll take it to the inner crease to create a little smoky look. For my face, I'm using Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation in the shade Marble for that full coverage, applying it with my Real Technique sponge for a smoother application. To contour my face, I'm going in with my MAC Studio Fix foundation in the shade NC40 and LA Girl Concealer in the shade Dark Cocoa. Spraying my MAC Skin Hydrating Mist for smoother blending, guys. To set my face, guys, I'm going in with my number 7 translucent powder. Using my matte mineralized skin finish in the shade Dark Deepest to set my cheekbone. I'm using my Real Technique brush to set my nose as well. You just want to blend and blend and blend. I'm gonna go in and blend my face with my Real Technique foundation brush, and because I can't use it on my forehead, so I'm gonna go in with my Real Technique. I don't know what this brush is called, but it's a little brush. For my highlighter, I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, using my MAC 224 blending brush. And I'm going in with my Real Technique little brush to kind of narrow my nose with the highlighter. And I'm using Morphe blending brush to kind of set my highlighter. I don't want it too harsh. For my lips, I'm using the Colourpop lipstick in the shade Sunday. Right, that's it, guys. We've come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching.
If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to thumbs up, okay, and subscribe. Click the button below. Click it. It's not gonna hurt. It's absolutely free. Just click it.